Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Lexus RC300 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Lexus RC300 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. Lexus RC300 2023, the latest model car. Lexus was named the best overall luxury brand. Lexus vehicles are dependable, comfortable, and drive smoother than others in the market. Lexus cars are fuel efficient, environmentally friendly, and maintain their resale value. Lexus RC300 is a sedan car. Available in following colors. It will be available in Atomic Silver, Caviar, Cloudburst Gray, Grecian Water, Infrared, Iridium, Ultra White, and Ultrasonic Blue Mica 2.0. Engine type, 5.0 liters inline V8 gas engine. Engine power, 472 horsepower at 7,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 395 pounds-to-foot at 4,800 revolutions per minute. Transmission type, automatic. Fuel type, gasoline. Drive type, rear-wheel drive. Performance. Maximum speed, 149 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds. Mileage in city, 20 miles per gallon. Mileage on highway, 28 miles per gallon. Fuel capacity, 17.2 gallons. Here we are discussing the connectivity and safety features of Lexus RC300. Connectivity features. It has HD radio, Bluetooth connection, premium sound system, satellite radio, smart device integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. Safety features. Backup camera, cross-traffic alert, rear parking aid, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, ABS, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, traction control. Expected price. Price in United States. Lexus RC300 2023 price is $160,700 in United States of America. Price in Finland. Lexus RC300 2023 price is Euro 160,700 in Finland. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Lexus RC300 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.